Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 2, Section 9 for Business and Entrepreneurship subject. We'll present to you our business model Canva. First, let me introduce to you my team presentation. Me myself, Nur Iman Elianie binti Mustapah. My metric number is AA190182 as a first presenter. The second presenter is Nur AQILAH binti HARFIZI. Metric number is AA191597, and the last presenter is Nur FARHANAH binti BAKAR, AA191797. Okay, our company's name is Asian Road Construction Sendirian Berhad. Safety and convenience for the users is our company trademark. Asian Road Construction Sendirian Berhad was established in 2016 until present. Since its inception, the company's focus has been in the field of civil engineering and infrastructure, and the company continues to provide quality products and services in various projects such as road improvement in residential areas, roadways, and large projects, namely Highway Plus. We also have a valid certification in the field of road engineering. Asian Road Construction Sendirian Berhad earned the recognition of its quality standards. We also achieved ISO 9001 certification since 2018, and it is strongly committed to meeting the quality expectation for our customers. By achieving customer satisfaction, including consistent quality standards, performs as well as possible, cultivate continuous improvement effort. Okay, there are 9 elements needed in business model Canva, which are partners, activities, resources, value preposition, customer preposition, channels, customer segments, cost, revenue streams. Okay, for the key partners are the relationship that we have with other business, governmental, or non-consumer that can help our business model work. These elements which we will undoubtedly form will be forces that help our business succeed in areas where we would be inefficient to do so on our own. So our key partners is supplier of material, investor, and partner of construction. Okay, for our business, we really need the supply of material for the road construction, such as supplier of aggregates and bitumen. Without them, of course, our business will not going well, as the road construction cannot be done because of the lack of material that we need. Okay, investor will really help us on giving a model for our business. We also need partner in construction where they will really help us on bringing a design and construction team together regularly throughout the life of project. Okay, it is also provide a space for communication, improve strategy, and issue resolution. Okay, for the key activities is any activities that our business is engaged in for the primary purpose of making a profit. So for the key activities, we have skilled worker, employee welfare maintained, such as financially and both physical and mental employees' health. Okay, we also have Facebook update each week. We also always update the website every week to let you know what we provide and if there are any promotion. And last but not least is facility maintenance every month or year.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur AQILAH binti HARFIZI. My matrix number is AA191597, and I'll continue this presentation by explaining the resources of our company, such as the workers, machinery, transport, and our marketing resources such as a browser. A business resource is important in order for the business to function properly and to excel. We ensure that the materials and the machinery we use for road construction is at its best quality. We also have our own browser or website for marketing purposes. Our clients can learn more about our company and our services by visiting our website. Next is value propositions. Our company promises to deliver high quality yet affordable material and services to our clients. We also offer periodic highway or road maintenance in order to keep it in condition for a safe, convenient, and economical use. Next, I'll explain the customer propositions. Clients will surely be satisfied with our fast and excellent services. We strive to enhance road performance to ensure that it can be used for a long period of time. We also strive to ensure our clients' and users' safety and satisfaction by trying our best to find ways to reduce traffic, provide more parking lots, and create a more systematic road flow. Besides having our own website, clients can also reach us through other channels such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and the billboard. This will also surely improve our marketing.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FARHANAH binti Abu Bakar, number matric CA191797. I will play my part, which is customer segments, cost structure, revenue streams, and conclusion. For the customer segments, there will be Plus, Residium for using the road, JKR, and Majlis Pemandaran that will monitor the road construction and keep a facility maintenance for the road. For the cost structure, it includes material and equipment such as aggregate and road roller, salary for employee, marketing costs, and facility maintenance. While for the revenue streams, it will cost 1.25 million ringgit per km, and we also got the sponsor from NGO, which is RM500k. So the total cost for a month we estimate RM5 million, and the total cost for 1 year it will be RM50 million. So last but not least, the conclusion is business model canvas are important for both new and established business, and it is a great tool to help us understand a business model in structured way. It also helps developing companies to attract investment and recruit talent. Established business also should update their business plan regularly, or they will fail to anticipate challenge and trends ahead. So that's all from me. Thank you.